Today we're going to talk about how to diagnose and correct problems with a network printer. Most of the time, network printer problems can be corrected by anyone, regardless of their IT experience, and that can be done rather quickly. Usually the problem is not the printer, it's just not the computer, and it's usually not the network. The problem is the connection between the printer and the computer. In order to fix these problems, you just need to follow a few easy steps that anyone can do. First step that anyone wants to do when diagnosing a problem with a network system, whether it be a printer or any other device that's on the network, is to power cycle the product that is having the problem. So in the case of a network printer, you want to power cycle your printer. That's your first step. Your second step is to go onto your computer, into the control panel on Windows, find the Devices and Printers tab, and click on it. When doing so, then you want to search your network for add a device or add a printer, and it will locate any printers that are connected to your network. When it locates these printers, it will give you an IP address of the printer where it is located. Write this down on a piece of paper. This is the important part of the process. You need to know this later on. Once you have found this IP address, go back out to your main control panel, go to Devices and Printer, and search under your printers that you have installed on your computer. When you find your printer, highlight it, go down to the Properties tab for that printer. It will open up another window, and it's got a bunch of tabs that will be across the top of it. You want to click on the Ports tab. When you click on the Ports tab, you're going to scroll down to where you see the IP address for the printer. 90% of the time, what you're going to find is the IP address that you have set on your printer properties is not the same that is showing on the network. So under Printer Properties, you need to change your IP address to the correct IP address of the network IP address that you got from the network. This will fix your problem. In the event that it's not the IP address or power cycle, then you are looking at drivers and rolling back drivers, but that is another topic altogether. So remember, first, power cycle your printer. If necessary, you may need to power cycle your router as well. Then go in, add a device so you can find the IP address of your printer, and then go to the set of the properties for your printer and make sure that they match with the properties that the network is showing you that your printer is set at. Thank you.